Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your BatchLeads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find a list of absentee owners in your BatchLeads account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find a list of absentee owners anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're a wholesaler, you know that going after highly motivated lists can help increase your conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your BatchLeads account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my BatchLeads, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find a list of absentee owners, first you're going to go ahead and choose your target area. So it could be a zip code, a county, a city. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and click in here, and I'm going to type in 90006. Okay, you can see the zip code right here, and I'll click on it. Okay, immediately you can see BatchLeads says there's about 331,000 properties in that particular zip code. So that's too big of a list. So we're going to go ahead and filter that down by absentee owners. You can easily just click right here, absentee owner, and it's going to filter out. If you don't see this button for some reason, go ahead and click here, all filters. And then the cool thing about BatchLeads, they make it easy. You just click here on quick filter and then check absentee owner. Okay, you can see it populates to about 148,000 properties. Okay, so here is your property list. So for me personally, I'm going to continue filtering this down, especially since it's such a huge list. So I'm going to click here on all filters, and I'm going to scroll down to property characteristics. Okay, so for me personally, I like to go after residential single family homes. So I'll click here and click residential, and then property type. I'm going to click here and click on single family. Okay, you can see it filtered down quite a bit, down to 36,000, but still that's really a huge list. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and click here and then go to MLS status, and on market, I'm going to click no. Okay, and then I'm still going to go to ownership info and owner type. And I personally like to buy from individuals. So I'm going to click here on individual. Okay, we're down to 13,000 properties, which again, still is a huge list. So I'm going to close this out, and I'm going to go here to evaluation and equity, and I'm going to go minimum 50% equity. Okay, you can see it's still at 10,000. So as you can see, you can still keep adding on more and more filters until you get the list size that works for you. And if the list size of absentee owners is still too huge, you can go ahead and narrow this down to maybe a neighborhood instead of an entire zip code, but that depends on which market you're working in. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to find a list of absentee owners with your Deal Machine account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.